Welcome to 30-day yoga challenge and the next video in the series. In the last video, we have discussed on what Upanishad is. In this video, I would like to share a small story to give you an essence of what an Upanishad teaching is like. The story is a very profound message giving story. It's mentioned in Kathopanishad, a story of a small child called Nachiketas. The story goes like this. A small child once found something very strange in his father's behavior. He observed that his father was giving away cows to the poor, but the cows were in fact useless. They were blind, they couldn't produce milk, and they were old. So the child was very curious and asked his dad, "To whom are you going to give me to?" And the father first ignored the child. Then on repeated questions from the child, the father got angry and he said, "I'm going to give you to death, or the Lord of Death." And the child reached Yamaloka because the child wanted to know, what has death got to do with me? Why does the Lord of Death, Yamaraja, even need me in the first place? So the child went to Yamaloka and waited for Yamaraja to come over. He waited for 3 days while Yamaraja was out for business. And when he came back, he saw this child waiting for him. And Yamaraja lovingly said, "I'm really sorry, my child. I'm extremely sorry that I made you wait for 3 days. You can ask for 3 boons so that you can compensate for your waiting time." The child happily said, "You can always, through the length of the Upanishad, you can see the childlike intellect at play." The child said, "Okay, the first boon is I want to go back to my family and my father shouldn't be angry with me." And Yamaraja smilingly said, "Let that be it." And the child then asked for the second boon. How can one reach Swargaloka? What are the different austerities one has to follow? And Yamaraja not only told him about detailed method by which different yagas should be performed, he also named the yaga Nachiketas Yaga, and from then on the yaga came to be known as Nachiketas Yaga. And the third boon, the child asked, some say that there is something beyond death, and some are of the opinion that it ends abruptly. So what is the fact? What is death? And the Yamaraja thought for a moment and said, "Child, it's a concept even gods find it difficult to understand." By gods he meant demigods like Devas. And the child kept insisting, and Yamaraja said, "I can give you all the riches of the world. I can give you a 100 years longevity. Could you please ask something else?" And the child said, "Everything that you offer, wealth and health and longevity, it all come to an end. Then what is the point of having all these?" And he still insisted, of which Yamaraja smilingly said, which is the core message of this video. He said, if you want to succeed in life, there are 2 things in life, and you have to choose the right one. What are the 2 things? In life, there is something called Sraya and something called Priya. Sraya are those things that you know is good for you. Priya are those things that is pleasurable, that you enjoy. All the things that are Priya might not be Sraya for you. If you choose Sraya over Priya, you will succeed in life. And when you look deeper, you will find that every instant in your life, you have a conscious choice. You can either choose something that's good for you or something that's pleasurable. And this message from the Upanishad is a very profound message, and something that I really like very much. And the story goes on, and Yamaraja explains the highest philosophical concepts which can transcend death and things like that, which is a topic for another day. It's a huge topic with a lot of philosophical implications. So this is the small story that I want to tell you, a message from Kathopanishad that explains what Sriya is and what Priya is, Sraya and Priya, and how you can move on with your life to have success in life. So thanks a lot. May all beings be happy. I take it as my good fortune to get this opportunity to share this message. May all beings be happy. Thanks a lot.